In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. This one's got some specific instructions on how to do it. It'll take just a second. The first thing you're going to do is not start the vehicle. You want it to be off. And then without pressing the brake, I'm just going to tap on the start button twice to get it to the run position, but without the vehicle actually running. Then what I'm going to do is use this directional pad to navigate through the menus on the screen. And when I do, typically it'll pull up like this. I want to go to number 2. And then I'm going to press the right and left arrow buttons until you get to one that says oil life. To reset the oil life, and this is what it won't do if the vehicle is running, I'm going to press and hold the OK button. And then you'll notice that it is now reset to 100%. And the trick is, again, leaving the vehicle off, but having it in that run position without the vehicle actually running. So that's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.